Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to offer free product in Payhip. So to get started with a quick guide and analysis on how you can simply offer a free product in Payhip. So the first thing to do, which is your first step, is to log into your Payhip account, or probably go to your Payhip website, which is payhip.com, and sign into your account. Then on step 2, go to the product and click add product. So from there, choose the digital product for a file or another type depending on what you are offering. Then in step 3, you have to upload your file. So to do this, upload the free file you want to give away, such as your PDF, image, template, and all of that. Then after that, you have to set the price to your product. So in the price section, enter the amount to make it completely free, or probably just state the zero amount of option to make it completely free. Then after that, fill out the product details, so add the product titles and a short description, which is very optional, and also upload a cover image, which is very optional. Then after that, click add product to publish. So your free product is now live and anyone can see the download or sit and download it without any payment. And here's a very quick important tips. You can also collect email addresses at the checkout for free product to build your mail list and enable the under the marketing. Click on the mailing list settings just to enable the collection of email address, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.